Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. I got this 69 GTO. Had one of these when I was younger and it was bad fast. I enjoyed the car. Had the opportunity to pick this thing up, so gonna try to do a quick driver thing with it, not anything spectacular. Try to get her in maybe just some white primer maybe even. So here we go. Well, I got the flats off of it. She's on 4 aired up tires on these Pontiac rally rims. Got the hood open. That's really funny is the engine is stuck in this thing. And the carburetor linkage, other than the choke, works fine. So I don't know, maybe a mouse got up in there or something. It is the south, it's moisture like crazy here, so I think the next thing I'm going to do is take off this air conditioning pump and try to move it to the side while I take spark plugs out on this side and get some PB blaster in it. Hey guys, quick tip. Old-fashioned wheel locks you don't have the key for. If you grind it and the thing's set for 30 years, you're also heating the stud and breaking the threads loose at the time you grind 2 flats. 1 flat on the bottom and 1 flat on the top, and put a big old crescent wrench on it like this and break her loose. So just a quick tip for the day. Well, I got my old GM trunk key right here. Oh, look at that. Spare tires still in place. Trunk doesn't look too bad. Get a little vacuum and clean it out. But I do see a hole down here. And I do see a lip along here that has to be oh man, there's some rust right there. You know, my body's rusted over the years too. So a little bit there, but I think a little bit over there. But you know what? A lot of that's pretty flat and easy to make. So not gonna buy those panels, that's for sure. So we'll see what we got going on here. I do have the bumper for it. It's not in the best of shape. There's one I gotta take, I can probably get for 75 bucks, and it's not in bad shape. It's just gonna take an hour or 4 to drive there. Depends, I guess, on what route I take. But so anyhow, this is what we got. This is what we're working with, and I'm gonna do the scary part now right here. Look at that. And my iron moths got to her. Now, one of the things about these GTOs is that they all, and Chevelles, same way, they all have rust here, and then the rust actually will go down along in here and then up part way here. So that lip has to be replaced. That has to come out, that rear window. This side is the worst side. The other side's not near as bad, but I'll test it and make sure. So I replace. I'm going to take the time to cut the window out of it. I'm going to take the time to fix it and fix it decent. So that's another one of them things. This car was a vinyl top car, so I'm going to have to take this lead out of here too and redo that because there's rust underneath it from the looks of it. So, but each day, if I do a little bit, I'm not going to put the hours into this that I've got into the 57. That's for sure. So anyhow, take it easy. I guess it's all for this